Y'all. All right, before I put the Durango back together, I also ordered some torch beam fog lights. So I'm gonna put those in also. And yeah, let me go ahead and open it up real quick. Ooh. Get y'all some music. Bing dong da dong ding bing dong 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 bing dong ba dong 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 ba dong dong ba dong bing dong ba dong dong ba dong 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 bing dong ba dong dong ba da 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 da. All right, got the box. Taking out the plastic. Let me open it here. These for the fog lights, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I ordered the yellow ones. They're H11s. So here's the fog lights. Let me take them out. LED style, yeah. These are the yellows. So order yellow, that way I can make that orange tint hit a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap these in real quick. Hopefully I can record under there while I'm doing this. But yeah, let's go ahead and slap it in. All right, so what you wanna do, you wanna get up under your Durango, and there's your fog light right there. So, hopefully I don't get no dust in my hands. So here you're just gonna come in, twist left, pull those out, and boom. Super simple, super easy to get out. Let's see, there we go. And you got the two little clips on the side there. One second. Minute. Oh, and then you got another clip literally right there. So make sure you wanna pull that off too. And then you just pull your clips off the side. And you disconnect just like that. I hope that was on camera. I really do. Ooh. And here we go. Hopefully I'm in the camera. So you got your torch beam LEDs, which is H11, as well as these halogens. So we're gonna put our HIDs in, I mean not HID, but LEDs in and go from there. So, same process. You're gonna get the thing, gonna plug it in. Just like that. This piece right here up top, that way it matches right there. Really hope y'all see this. If not, I give another shot. We're gonna plug it in. Once you hear it click in like that, you good. See, on this one, you ain't gotta worry about that pin snapping in. So, there we go. Now, the pin has clipped in right there also. Now we all in there. All right, now we're gonna go over to the driver's side. All right, let's do the same thing on this side. Twist it, pull out, and we're out of there. Boom, we're gonna do the same thing. Here we go, boom, pull right out. LEDs in, like I said, pointy top to the top, yeah. Pointy top to the top. Man, I feel like y'all are in a bad angle. Then we're just gonna plug her in. We got it hooked up. Next, we're gonna just plug it in. Give me 1 second. Boom, we clipped in. And now we got our torch beams installed. We can go in there and test our lights. So I'm gonna leave y'all right here. And I'm gonna slide my big head in front of you. I'm gonna go cut the lights on to make sure they work. Turn it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see it? See the yellow. Got that underglow now. Got that underglow. But as you can see, there we go. They work. So we'll go ahead and put them in. Got the yellow torch beam. They real bright though. Real bright. So then got the headlight ones here. Headlight there. Headlight here. Headlight there. But yeah. They real bright. So we in there. All right, last thing you want to do is just put everything back together, tighten it up, and then we'll see how everything look. Once you get it like that, you're good to go. You want to go over do your other side, and yeah, we'll test it out in the side. That's the yellow. Me with the orange tint. Oh yeah, that hitting, that's hitting hard. And there we go. Little bean pattern. I might throw some more orange tint on there, try to give it a little orange hue. That's what I might try doing. I need to find that orange tint though. All right. All I needed to do was just put one more piece of tint on there, as you can see. And we got the orange. As you can see over here, that's the yellow. Just need one more piece of orange tint. And we're good. I get the orange that I want. And it pops even more, which is good. Perfect, perfect, perfect.